All right, so we have a cool front coming in, so sorry about the wind noise. This is the factory non-Sasquatch fender flares, and the outer banks are always painted to match. So this is the Sasquatch fender flares that I had painted to match the top. So it's a metallic gray. And as you can see, the top is also painted the same metallic gray. And I'm pretty happy with this results. So now you see the before and after. And here's the difference between the non-Sasquatch fender flare, and over here on the passenger side we have the Sasquatch fender flare. It's a pretty good difference in the width. As you can see, these tires are flush now, whereas on the driver's side I had about 1.5 inches to 2 inches of poke. Don't really mind the look on this, on this non-Sasquatch fender flare, but I was curious to what it would look like, with the Sasquatch now that I have the this offset of the new wheels and tires. Looks pretty good, I think. It's definitely protect a little bit more as far as rocks hitting the side of the paint. Okay, so now I have all 4 of the Sasquatch fender flares mounted. Of course, like I said, the dark gray metallic really shines in the sunlight. It does match the top, which I think is great looking. I did have a backup plan if Mrs. Gone in 60 did not like these, because this is her Bronco. I was going to remove them and have them painted gloss black to match the gloss black top on the 4-door. But after speaking with her, she likes it a lot. She likes the way it looks, the way it matches the top. She likes the gloss on the fender flares, so we're good on that part. But I mean, I think it looks really good. I was lucky enough to be able to buy these fender flares for pretty cheap from one of the managers at work that did a fender flare delete on his Sasquatch. So now this Bronco, both Broncos are non-Sasquatch, but these tires are 275s. So they're got some good width to them. And I like the way they sit. The offset sits within these fender flares pretty much flush, maybe 1/4 inch still poking out, but like it a lot. Overall, I'm really pleased with the outcome of the Sasquatch fender flares in relation to the offset of the new Weld off-road wheels. I got these for really cheap. Ford sells these fender flares for over $400. So what do you guys think?